What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood, especially today, bro. I'm outside cooking up, so you know I'm feeling great, bro. Let's just dive right into the video. For this type of beat, let's put our tempo at 160. Not gonna lie, we need to add this unison mangler VST, bro. Like this finna add the sauce to your melodies, bro. Let's layer this with this lab granular piano, but I'm going to just delete these bottom notes right here and these top notes, and I just want it to hit like really short, so just like that. We'll also add some delay to this, so Valhalla delay, put this on duct tape, duck in maybe around like 70 something, and then also ping pong the mix a little bit down, see how that sounds. What I want to add in between these notes is like a really crazy arpeggiator going just like all over the place. So let's open up Analog Lab. So what I want to do with this flute right now is hit Command A and then Option A to like arpeggiate it. Might just change out this lap sound for something else. Hold on, I'm onto something. Right here, make unique, and then pitch this down. Let's see how this sounds. By the way, this Unison Mangler plugin is super easy to use, like you just saw. It has like a lot of features to make like your drum smack. We'll add that in a minute on like the 808 and the kick as well to make it like punch through even more, you feel me? But make sure to check out the link in the description. It got 60% off, which is super crazy. Make sure to go check it out if you want to like add some sauce to your basses or even your melodies. You can use it like in a lot of different ways, so that is what I really love about this plugin. You also get 5 free bonuses included, like melodies, basses, drum and guitar guitar loops with audio and MIDI stems, which is super crazy. So make sure to go check it out. The link is right there in the description. Let's get it. I love the bounce of the beat. Let's just try to flip this melody into Fruity Slicer. So I already got it loaded up and chopped it up. All you have to do is put this on 12 and then beat, and then just can make like little chops with your melody. I really love how the melody is sounding, bro. It's really unique. I might just like drop the link to these melodies in the description so you can like finish off and go crazy with it. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at gunna. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.